We also have breaking news on those devastating earthquakes that rocked Venezuela last Wednesday. A senior U.S. State Department official just confirmed to NBC News that 3 Americans are among the nearly 1,500 people who were killed. 12 Americans also still reported as missing. While the search for survivors turns dire, there are some glimmers of hope. A mother and her 18-month-old baby are now recovering after they were found alive days after her apartment building collapsed. Another emotional video showing a father and son being carried out on stretchers following a 12-hour effort to rescue them. Vanessa Herrero is on the ground live for us in La Guaira, Venezuela today. Venezuelan interim President Delcy Rodriguez is saying that the search and rescue operations will continue after more than 30 people were found this weekend. What is the latest on the efforts there on the ground?
Yes, Vicky, I am here in La Guaira and Ground Zero. And as you said, the efforts are still ongoing, not only coming from first responders, firefighters, and local authorities, but also international special teams who are here on the ground right now trying to find someone alive under the many buildings that have collapsed. And as well, this tragedy is touching a lot of people, and many of those who survived are still looking for their loved ones who are missing. There are thousands of those missing, and Venezuelans cannot, they're absolutely overwhelmed by the amount of people that are looking and searching for their family members.
Vanessa Herrero, we appreciate your reporting. Thank you so much.
We thank you for watching, and remember, stay updated on breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or watch live on our YouTube channel.